Hi guys, if your night owl DVR is not responding, if it is stuck or you forget the password, a factory reset can definitely fix it. So in this guide, you are going to learn how to reset it using the menu, reset button and even the application. So on a night owl DVR, you just have to right click on the screen and it is going to open the main menu, which is going to look something like this one in front of you. Now inside the main menu, you just have to first of all go to the system. Inside system, you just have to look for the option of maintenance. Now inside maintenance, look for the option of default, and then inside default, look for the option of factory reset. Sometimes you can also find the factory reset option inside maintenance itself. So when you are able to find the factory reset option, simply select it and allow the system to reboot. Now, if you can't access the menu, you just have to simply locate the small reset button on the back or inside the DVR. So you just have to simply press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 20 seconds while the DVR is powered on. And this is going to force the full system reset. Now you can also open the Night Owl Protect application on your phone. Then you can go to the device settings and look for the option of reset device. After selecting this option, you just have to simply wait until it restarts. So I have shown you all of the methods that you can try in order to restore your Night Owl DVR quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.